Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best USB-C hubs on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Non-USB-C to USB 3.0 Adapter. Offering a simple yet effective solution, this USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter is the go-to choice for seamlessly connecting USB-A devices to USB-C ports on laptops, Macs, or PCs. Boasting a single USB-C male port and a USB 3.0 female port, it facilitates a speedy data transfer rate of 5 Gbps. Whether you need to link up a charging cable, memory stick, or keyboard, this adapter provides the essential connectivity you're looking for. What sets it apart is its minimalist design, featuring only the necessary port without unnecessary extras. Sold in a convenient pack of 2, it not only ensures versatility, but also offers excellent value for users seeking a straightforward and reliable solution for their USB-C to USB 3.0 connection needs. Number 2. Pluggable USBC 7-in-1. The Pluggable USBC multifunction hub offers a compact and budget-friendly solution with 7 ports integrated into a single USB-C connection. Notable features include a 4K HDMI output supporting up to 30 Hz for external displays, robust power pass-through at an impressive 87 watts, 3 5 Gbps USB-A ports, and convenient SD and micro slots. The HDMI 1.4 port facilitates output to 4K at 30 Hz or Full HD 1080p monitors or projectors. The hub's pass-through charging, particularly with its substantial 87 watts power, is advantageous for devices with limited USB-C ports. Weighing only 88 G, it proves lightweight and travel-friendly, complemented by a short integrated cable. The hub's 3 USB-A ports also provide 7.5 watts power pass-through for charging additional devices. Number 3. Pluggable USB-C 11-in-1 hub. Dominating with an impressive 11 ports, this hub stands out as the port powerhouse among its competitors. With a substantial length of 8.7 inches, 22 centimeters, it offers extensive connectivity options. The dual HDMI ports support dual 4K external monitors at 60 Hz for Windows laptops, while Mac users can enjoy a single display at this specification or 2 mirrored Mac displays. The USB section includes 1 USB-C and 3 USB-A ports, operating at a 5 Gbps rate, though some hubs claim faster 10 Gbps USB ports. Completing the array are the Gigabit Ethernet port and SD/micro card readers, supporting UHSI speed, albeit lacking the faster UHS-2. This comprehensive hub caters to diverse connectivity needs, making it a versatile choice for users seeking extensive port options. Number 4. Saki USB4 Multiport Adapter. The USB4 and Thunderbolt-compatible pluggable multi-gig USB-C and USB-A dock is designed for maximum speed, offering a full 40 Gbps bandwidth for USB4 and Thunderbolt-enabled computers. Additionally, it maintains backward compatibility with any USB-C laptop or PC. This hub prioritizes speed across its ports, with 2 USB-C ports, one supporting 100 watts pass-through charging, and 1 USB-A port rated at 10 Gbps. The HDMI port enables connection to an external 4K display at 60 Hz, with Windows computers supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz. A standout feature is the multi-gig 2.5G Ethernet, delivering speeds 2.5 times faster than Gigabit Ethernet. This feature is particularly advantageous for the latest Wi-Fi 6 routers and networks. Number 5. Quest USBC Gen 2 Hub Adapter 7 ports. The 7-port USB-C hub offers unparalleled flexibility with 7 USB ports, comprising 4 USB-C and 3 USB-A ports, accommodating both old and new devices. While lacking built-in HDMI or Ethernet ports, the hub compensates with its versatility, enabling users to connect additional adapters as needed. Among the USB-C ports, 3 operate at a rapid 10 Gbps, USB 3.2 General 2, for swift data transfer, while the remaining one, with 5 Gbps, focuses on 100 watts pass-through charging for laptops. The 3 USB-A ports boast 5 Gbps bandwidth for efficient data transfer. Despite exceptional data transfer capabilities, the charging capacity of all but one of the 7 ports is limited. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.